For distinctive, high-quality, finely crafted products for your kitchen or home, there is only one choice: Enclume. Made in the USA by our craftsmen, Enclume's legendary products are carefully handmade, one at a time, not mass-produced or imported. In the Pacific Northwest, we have a tradition of fine craftsmanship. Enclume's metalsmiths have honed their skills right here on the Olympic Peninsula. Inspired by French tradition, for over 40 years, Enclume has created products using the very finest materials. In fact, the word Enclume means anvil in French. We begin with the very best materials, sourcing the finest steel and hardwoods such as maple, oak, and tigerwood to create our products. Our finishes include Enclume's legendary hammered steel, as well as brushed stainless, copper, chrome, and others. There's nothing like it available in the market today. For distinctive, high-quality, finely crafted products for your kitchen or home, there is only one choice: Enclume.